Hello guys, I'm Nikki and welcome to fourth tutorial of our series C++ programming. And now today in this video we will discuss about the comments in C++. So there are two types of comments in C++. First is single line comments and the second is multi-line comments. Okay, so in the second line comments single line comments start with two forward slashes like that. If you type these into a line, that here single line comment and the C out hello world, so this line will be ignored by the compiler at the execution time, and no in our programmer no you sorry in our program there is no use of this line. This it will only make our program complicated, and this line will be executed during the execution of our program. It will only execute this code C out hello world. Okay, and the multi-line commands start with the forward slash and this asterisk symbol. Okay, that is the multi-line comments. If you start the multi-line comments from the one, and in the end, sorry, between these two symbols, like this one starting point and the end point of the multi-line comments, all line or all the text will be ignored by the compiler. Okay, the lines will be it means this line will be executed, sorry, these line will not be executed. Okay, so let's write a program and let me tell you about the comments in C++. So let's create a new file, okay, and give it to comments dot cpp. Okay, that's great. Now we will write our program, has include IO stream. Okay, and the using namespace std. After that, int main, and now here I will type the program, that is C out hello world. Okay, if I now run this program, okay, wait, I will reopen my Visual Studio Code. Let me reopen this. Sorry for that, guys. A few an hour ago I will write a program in the loop. The loop is goes to infinite, so I didn't close the or stop the loop, so it didn't print our output. Okay, so now we have again get into the our Visual Studio Code, and that is the same program that I have typed a few time ago. So now let's run this program again, activating extensions. Okay, it will print hello world. Now it will display the our output on the terminal, hello world here, hello world. And if I type here using cout function for print the text, and if I now execute my program, that will provide or display an error on in the output screen. So let's run this program. Now we will get the error using cout function for print the text. Okay, so if I use comments in the starting on the line, then this this line will be ignored by the compiler and prints only hello world here, hello world. Okay guys, so now let's see, I will try to use multi-line comments. So how are you all, and after that that is the fourth tutorial of C++. If I now execute the program there, then the first line, this first line will be ignored and these two lines will show an error on the output screen. How are you Aloka like that? Okay, so let me first clear the output screen, and now I will use the multi-line comment, that is the forward slash and the asterisk symbol, and where you end the multi-line comment, then all the code will be executed. If I close it at the end of this cout function, now this print nothing on the output screen. It prints nothing, okay, on the output screen. And if I stop it or the close the multi-line comment in the end of the this line, now it will print over this text, okay, and these three lines will be ignored by the compiler. Let's execute the program. Hello world. Okay, now you can add the more lines, like okay, wait, sorry for that. Okay, you are such as a good person. Okay, so let's execute the program. Now this prints this one. Hello world, you are such as a good person. So this not print the line into the new line, just make it the slash n, or you can also use the end l, okay, and for the it means end line. Okay, now it will print this code into the new line. Hello world, you are such as a good person. Okay, so guys, hope you understand the comments in C++. So if this video is helpful for you, please guys like this video and make sure you have subscribed my channel for never miss an update. So thanks for watching guys, I will see you next time.